The $30 Dream Million from the Pennsylvania Lottery. I played this ticket a couple of times already today, and it's been really good. But the amazing thing happened on the last ticket, which is number 29. Got the 10x symbol, and under that 10x is $100, which means this is a $1,000 winner. Whew. $1,000, my biggest win this year. Wow. Like, I'm speechless because I won 250 earlier, and then literally bought 60s earlier, won 6 in a row. $30, $40, $50, $250, and then another $50. But I got this out of Giant in Warriorsburg, Pennsylvania, and $1,000. Wow. Thanks for watching.